Radial symmetry comes in handy for sculpting bodies of rotation in ZBrush. For example, bottles, vases, fountains. Medallions are not bodies of rotation, but they are often sculpted with radial geometry. My name is Andre, and on my channel I describe complex functions of programs in simple language. Put a like and see more videos that will help you in simplifying your work. To show you how this function works, I will make 3 models for you. Radial symmetry is activated in the transform menu. Activate symmetry. Radial. If your 3D model is not in the center, you must turn on local symmetry mode. In addition, you must set the number of symmetry points. For example, if I set 4 points, I will get a pattern with 4 sides. If I set 12 points, I will get a drawing with 12 sides. Radial symmetry can work on 3 axes: X, Y, Z. Now I'll speed up the video and show you how you can use radial symmetry to sculpt a 3D model. For the first cylinder, X-axis symmetry is suitable. From the first cylinder, I make a rolling pin with patterns. From the second cylinder, I make a small garden fountain. For the second cylinder, symmetry in the Y-axis is suitable. From the third cylinder, I make a medallion with a pattern. For the third cylinder, the symmetry on the Z-axis is suitable. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you still have any questions, then write them in the comments. All my subscribers will try to answer them and help you. And you subscribe to my channel, give me a like and learn more useful features about simple programs.